Another was tax on jobs, as they might like to put it, or on small employers, is the corporation tax, which the main rate, which was set at 25%
Yes.
a couple of years ago, or however long ago, well, last year. So, and while what we like to remind clients is, look, that's not a 6% increase, 6 percentage points, which is actually a 30% increase in your corporation tax bill.
Absolutely.
Now, I think the government were very, very clever with their wording, a little bit like the cap on bus fares, which really annoyed me. But I think with corporation tax, they were really clever with their wording, and they've said that they're not going to make any changes, or it wasn't that they're not going to make any changes, but that the 25% is not going to increase.
Correct.
What do you read into that? Because I think you read the same as me into that.
Yeah, well, you don't get to do tax for as long as I am without being a bit of a cynic.
Yeah.
But I think, obviously at the moment you've got a 19% corporation tax rate for businesses up to 50 grand, and then a sliding scale where they make profits up to 250,000. I think the language was carefully chosen to say that the top rate of corporation tax won't increase beyond 25%, but they didn't say, and the lower rate of corporation tax won't increase beyond 19%. So
there could be a levelling up.
I don't think it's a massive leap of the imagination to think that by the end of the Parliament we might just have a 25% corporation tax rate for everybody. Now, that's just pure speculation, but I think the language was chosen very carefully to allow themselves at least the wriggle room to be able to do that if they chose to.
A little bit like the working people.
Yes, yeah, quite.
At least said on that, the better, perhaps. Right, we've got